Hey everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've been here, welcome. If you are a returning visitor, it is so good to see you. Like I can see you. Anyway, today I am going to show you the summer of 2023 Wordy Traveler subscription. This is a quarterly subscription. I've unboxed this before on my channel 2 times. The last time was the fall of 2022, and this is the summer box. This is like I said before, I'm sorry, it's been a week. It's been a week. And to transition to come on camera and do an unboxing video, for me, it's a whole mental process. And I apologize if it's a little disjointed video. I have a lot going on in my life right now, which I'm sure everybody does, but it's been a very stressful week and I'm glad it's almost over. This book box comes with a book, comes with tea, comes with coffee, even a lot of times comes with jewelry. It always comes with a book charm. Actually, when I was getting ready for the video, this is one of the jewelry pieces that came in one of last year's boxes. I love it. I wear it all the time. And let's see what is in this one. This subscription you can get on a quarterly basis. And if you buy more quarters, you can buy up to like 1, 2, or 4 quarters. The price fluctuates. If you just get one book, 1 quarter, I know the beginning price is $54.99. I will have down in the description box a link to the company website with all the different pricing options, because you can get 1 book, you can get up to 6 books, you can get fiction books, you can get nonfiction books, and you can get a combination of books, fiction and nonfiction. I know that because I looked already, this is the nonfiction book for the summer of 2023. We always get a flyer, and this summer we are discovering Southeast Asia. I've been to Southeast Asia, I've been to Japan, I lived in South Korea for a year when I was in the military, and it is a beautiful area of the world. I have yet to go to my dream countries of Thailand and the Philippines, and I even want to go to Vietnam. Haven't been to any of those places, but hopefully in the future. So the curator of the box has a little leaflet for this quarter, and inside is directions for Thai curry noodle soup right here. And there's some lovely pictures and advertisements on the back. Very nice. And then they also gave us some of the ingredients on the card. I'm not sure if the ingredients in here were messed up or maybe not complete, but here they are on a little piece of paper. And then you get a nice thank you note to be part of the Wordy Traveler community. And this is what the box looks like. This is a great box if you like, what should I read? If you don't know what to read, you want to get started back into reading, I highly suggest this treat for yourself, because it is a treat to have someone curate a box specifically for a group of people that love to read, love to drink tea, love to drink coffee. So the first thing on top here is a Wordy Traveler exclusive ground coffee envelope. It's by Fair Dinkum Coffee Company Org. And then we also got our tea, which is a Thai lemon ginger tea by the Ohio Tea Company. Loose leaf tea they put in, little tea bags. And they do sell little cloth tea bags, or a little like infuser, tea infuser. And I think, oh yeah. Then we always get a beautiful art print. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not going to claim to know where this is from, and I will look in the literature and put it in the description box where this art print is from. It could be from, I don't know, could be from Thailand. Then we got two little things in the bag. They always give a charm and some kind of bookmark. And I do collect the charms and I use them for junk journaling if you're interested in junk journaling. And this one looks like a little lantern, maybe? I don't know, it's a little lantern, or it's definitely not a pineapple. It's some kind of lantern. It's really pretty. I really like that a lot. Make sure you put these in a safe place or in a little dish because they're small and you can lose them very easily. And then we got one of those bookmarks that are metal and you just attach it to the page. Let's see if I can open this without taking a half hour. Oh, there's quite an easy opening at the bottom. That's really pretty. And I'll show you the book because you can put it on the page. This book is a nonfiction book called The Mediocre Monk by Grant Lindsley. This book is about a person who abandons their corporate job to train as a monk in one of the strictest Buddhist traditions on earth. And he does that in Thailand, and he writes about his experience. I am definitely interested in reading this because I don't know about you, but I often think about dropping out for a while, dropping out for a few months, dropping out of social media. Hold on for 1 second, please. Why are you making so much noise and making a video?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Baby, I don't know that. I'm trying to fix this door.
Can you hear me talking to myself?
I thought you were on the phone.
No, please stop.
Don't get all mad at me.
Okay, I'm back. I just yelled at my husband for making a racket on the other side of this door. Yeah, I kind of went off on him a little bit. I'm making a video. Stop being so noisy. There's the bookmark. It's really very pretty. As I said at the beginning of the video, life has been a challenge as of late. A lot of things going on, a lot of stressful things going on, and I'm ready for the stress to be over. Here, I just turned the bookmark around. So that is what this book is about. I'm giving you such a superficial view of it, but it's about dropping out. I don't know if I'd go live with Tibetan monks. I think you're not supposed to talk for days on end, and you have to follow very strict Buddhist traditions. So, I can go without talking for a day, maybe two, but then I'm climbing the walls. That's the book, the nonfiction book. And the last thing we got in this box is in this bag. This is an item of clothing, which is very risky to give out in a subscription box because we are all different shapes and sizes, right? But this is, let's see, it says free size, 100% polyester free size. It's kind of like a kaftan. It's like a dress. There's the collar of the dress. It's really, oh, wait a second. Is there sleeves? Yeah, there are sleeves. Wait a second. Yes. I'm looking at this like, what's going on? There are sleeves, and there's an inner lining down here. And there's a drawstring in the front that pulls tight. I'm gonna put this on and let's see what it looks like. I will be right back. Okay, well, it's a dress. It's great for Florida. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's cute. I think it would look really cute with leggings, but ties with a drawstring. Let's see if I can stand up. I know this is really bad photography, but you know, I do this in my living room. I don't have a studio, and it's not even my living room. I'm not even living in my home right now. So this is the best I can do. It's cute. It really is cute. It's nice and cool. Would I wear this as a dress? Maybe. I think it would make a really cool beach cover-up or pool cover-up, to put your bathing suit and walk around in it. I don't know. I would have to play with it a little bit, a little some. But it's cute. It really is cute. And I like the material and the color. Green, okay, but there's a lot of blue and black in there. I think it's really nice print. So that is the the full box for the Wordy Traveler. We got the Kaftan or dress thing. I got the nonfiction book, the Mediocre Monk, with the really cool bookmark. Some coffee, some tea, the art postcard, or believe it or not, you can use it as a letter and write a note inside, so whatever you choose to do. The beautiful charm. And I forgot to tell you, I do have a discount, House of Jane. I'll leave everything here, 15% off your first box. I'll also leave it down in the description box. And this is one of my favorite book boxes. I do open some book boxes on the channel. I always like to be surprised with something that I probably normally wouldn't have picked this to read, but that more I look at it and the more I read A Stumbling Search for Answers in a Forest Monastery, it makes me more intrigued because, like I said, lately I just feel like dropping out of society for a little while, if that makes any sense. But okay, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far, give me a like, a subscribe if you so choose, and come visit me again. Bye.